Windows can also be inserted in the 3D view. In fact, after selecting the window object from the drawing menu, you can click on the building envelope entity inside which you want to insert the window. We can freely position the window by simply moving it around, with dynamic updates of all the measurements from the side and from the reference plane. Once the correct position is identified, a second click fixes the object in place. The window's position from the reference plane can also be defined by keyboard value input. But again, even after insertion, we can still select the measurement to edit and enter a new value. The window is repositioned dynamically.